Hi, this is Shelley from Day's Great Adventure. We are staying at Little Diamond, Thousand Trails in Newport, Washington, and we wanted to share our review with you and our thoughts about the campground. Let's check it out together.
Let's run away to faraway places, escape from this life we have known. Your eyes are new worlds to discover. Your heart is the place I call home. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
whoa. So there's the ranger station. You pull in on that side. It's both for the KOA and the Thousand Trails. You get checked in. The rangers are super nice. Very helpful, full of information. So here's the little store. Haven't been in here yet, so let's go discover it together. Little camp store. Oh, maybe she's locking up. Let's see here. It's open. Hi.
Hi.
It's okay if I just video the store?
I don't care.
Okay. Thank you.
As long as you're not staking it out.
No, not at all. We want to share it with everybody on our YouTube.
Oh, okay.
They love this campground. Here's the little store. All kinds of goodies. Ooh, fishing stuff. Look at this one. I love it. Tons of good stuff in here. And then the laundry room is right next door.
Yes.
Okay. Good deal. Right back there?
Mm-hmm.
Terry. Thank you, Terry.
You are welcome.
Have a good day.
You as well.
Thank you. Let's check out the bathroom shower room here. Let's see. Women's is on the right. Looks like a single, double shower stall. Oh, nice. Yeah, pretty clean. Yeah, this one's handicap accessible, it looks like. So that is right here next to the laundry room. Let's go check out the laundry. Laundry hours, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Washers, $2. Dryers are $2. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Nice clean laundry room.
Yes, it is.
So here's the dog park. Ooh, and the squirrels scampering away over there. Pretty nice. Let's go in. Nice new fencing. Yep, I got your essentials there. Trash can and scooper. Little agility course here. Pretty cool. Plenty of room for dogs to get out and sniff and play. Have to bring Boo Boo down here, see what he thinks about it. Get some shade. fixing my pole. He's fixing me up. Oh, hooking me up. Ha ha. Maybe that's where that saying came from. Hook you up. So I am walking up here to the lodge here at Little Diamond, and I wanted to show it to you, the lodge and the pool. We were just down at the lake, and this is so nice. They have a little playground here for the kiddos. I haven't been inside here before, so I'm looking forward to seeing. I see that there's people in here, so let me swap you around and we'll go inside. Oh, this is pretty. See, I think the pool is down here. Yep, restrooms.
She's counting back from 5 seconds. Hey, wait, put me,
Cool. Nice pool.
I'll see if I can see it.
Pool house over there. Looks like the clubhouse hours are 8 to 8. This is great. So this is where the Thousand Trails sites start. So this site, number 53, that's a nice site. So if you're coming here, you might look for that one. And then this end one, which is site 64. Yeah, that's a good site. Oh yeah, this one right here, which is side, I don't see the number. That's a nice site. Even this pull through, but, or is it a vacuum? No, it's a, yeah, it's a vacuum. Yeah. So this is, I don't have the map in front of me here, the main part of the Thousand Trails sites. They're a little bit tight. We have a 42 foot, so it can be a tad bit of a challenge finding a place here at Little Diamond, but we really like this park. I keep saying it reminds me of summer camp. So there is I'll have to do a voiceover probably. I don't know how many sites. I should grab the brochure. What's your summation of this park, Greg?
There's not that many level sites for large RVs. If you have a 32 foot and under, you can go and there's all kinds of sites. But the biggest problem we run into all over the place is you get people with 20 foot trailers parking in sites that the big RVs need.
Yeah.
And then they don't take the smaller ones.
So stop for just a second. I'm gonna kind of show them a few sites that we kind of like. Like this site right here is site 116. They're on the corner back there. It's a pretty good, the corner sites are pretty good. So like that site right back there was pretty deep. Yeah, the boxes right here, you share boxes, so depending on which side you park on, you may have to run your utilities under your trailer. Yeah, quite a bit of distance. There are definitely some, like the site's pretty good site actually.
Yeah, but you have to run.
But on this one, see, like it's nice and deep and has great fire ring spot, but your utilities are on your front door side. So you'd have to run them, yeah, way over there. So you'd have to run them under your rig.
And just 30 amp.
Yes, 30 amp, no sewer. There are a few sewer sites here, but they're all used by annuals, is my understanding. There's a nice deep spot. But once again, yeah, your utilities are on your door side. So the bathroom house here, there are how many showers for you? It has 2 showers in here, if I remember right. I used this last time we were here. Make sure nobody's in here real quick. Looks empty. So, women's. So now has the plug-ins for your hair dryer and stuff. And there's a toilet. There's another one. And then there are 2 showers here. I used the shower last time we were here. I didn't think it was that bad. Although you do have this open changing area here. It's the second shower. Let me get back here so we can see it better. Yeah. So, they're nice, clean restrooms. Like, I like this site right here. Yeah, look your shoulder.
In like the corners with rigs parked and cars, it's tough to get.
It's a challenge, yeah, to
so
get
like this
to
one
here.
here, if you're with somebody, you can share these 2 sites over here on the right.
Yeah, that'd be a pretty cool.
That'd be neat.
Yeah, share
But
site.
together, it's kind of like.
Yep.
You had this other here.
Oh, he's the and hold on. They do have. Let me see if I can get in here. They do have a honey wagon. Oh, he just went by. They come by on Thursdays and Fridays. $45. This is a site that we were in last time. It was a challenge for Greg to get nestled in there, but we got in there and it was great because we had a lot of space for
On the backside.
group camp or group meals and stuff. It's a beautiful site, as you can see.
This campground does have a group site that you can rent, companies or family reunions. I don't know of the cost of it, but when we talked to the ranger, he said that you just call Mike, who is the manager here at the park, and he will let you know all the details. And there's at least 10 to 12 sites up there. There's a big pavilion and I believe a big fire ring. Yeah, it's really nice, and if you have a need for it, give them a call and check it out.
Hope you enjoyed our review of Little Diamond Thousand Trails RV Campground. It's located near Newport, Washington.
It is.
And I'd call it a diamond in the rough.
Greg isn't as impressed as I am. I've said a couple times in this video, it reminds me of summer camp. Reminds me of when I went to church camp. So I love it. But it does have a few issues. You can mention one. I'll let you do that.
Well, it's just like all Thousand Trails. There's electrical issues, you know, and of course they don't fix them until they have 100 of them or whatever. They got to have some excuse. So anyway, to me, those are just excuses. But anyway, we got by and had a good time, and I'm sure you will too.
Yep. So if you have not yet, we would love it if you would subscribe to our channel.
Just like the video, that's fine. Either way.
Yep.
Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Comment. If you've been here to Little Diamond, comment to us. If you haven't, go ahead and comment too. If you have any questions about it, put them down in the comments and we will answer them or find out the answers for you.
Yep, and then hit the bell so you'll be notified when we put out more videos.
So this is a Tosser Up Thursday, so hope you enjoyed it.
All right, and
so
we will...
Don't forget.
Oh, that too.
That too. Don't forget, every day's a gift.
So don't count the days, but make the days count.
And we will
see you soon.